In the last 2 years, the growth of AI has been 100 times faster than the learning speed of the human brain. This is a massive level in the AI world. Now, GPT-5 has arrived. What are its features? Let's see how it's going to change everything you know. Hello, Techphiles. I'm your Didi. Welcome back to G-Cloud Techphiles. GPT-5 is a new chapter in AI evolution. Better context understanding, human-like responses. There are even more next-gen features. Let's take a look at what they are. So why do we need GPT-5 when we already had versions 3 and 4? Those were all super impressive, right? Even though they were really impressive, there were still some common problems with them. For example, in long conversations, it misses the context. And then for complex tasks, it confidently gives the wrong answer. Leaving all that aside, the main thing is that there are no real-time updates. Addressing all these issues is exactly why they've released GPT-5. So what's new and innovative in this GPT-5? Ultra-long conversations. Even if you have hours of long conversations, it will save all of that and act as your personal memory device. It will give you tailor-made responses suited exactly for that. It will give you incredibly human-like responses, adapting the precise required emotion and tone for you. Then, there are multimodal skill upgrades. They've brought a lot of improvements to image, text, audio, and video. Main real-time updates, latest news, live data, trends, all of these are pulled instantly. This is what I consider as the main update. When it's like this, it's a game changer for all fields. I had a real wow moment with this ChatGPT-5. Earlier, I had tried asking ChatGPT-4 to carefully analyze some bio-research papers for me. It analyzed them and summarized only the main key points. But ChatGPT-5 analyzed that same paper, connected it with points we had previously discussed, added real-world examples, and responded excellently like an expert. What I mean is, ChatGPT-5 didn't just give me a random reply, it understood and summarized it. I'm very impressed with that. Is ChatGPT-5 exclusively for work? Not at all. Enthusiastic fun lovers and dedicated game lovers are given significant importance too. ChatGPT-5 can even generate sophisticated AI games. All you truly have to do is give a simple, clear prompt for whatever specific kind of game you desire. You can then run the generated code and play at that very level, or alternatively download it as an HTML file and play it locally whenever you wish. Using this feature, I tried just 2 simple games, the bounce ball game and a simple car racing game. In the car racing game, there was a bit of lag. I gave a prompt to address that, and it fixed it and gave me a clear output. To put it simply, ChatGPT-5 has upgraded from being just an AI assistant to becoming your thinking partner. So, Techphiles, are you going to use this ChatGPT-5? Are you going to try out all the new features in it? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. For more tech tips, visit gcloudtechphile.com. I hope you learned something new today. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.